I lost the bolt last week, but don't tell anyone, don't tell anyone. Oh no, everyone's gonna tell me I don't know anything about cars now in the comments. Yeah, lads. Morning. I said morning, boys. Morning, lads. I was supposed to be doing a review on an awesome car today. Well, a lot of you guys would have thought it's awesome. It is awesome, but it's not up my street of awesome, but it is awesome. But because insurance companies are not awesome, I don't think it's going to be happening. And because it's a Sunday, and for some reason the world likes to just not exist on a Sunday, I don't think it's going to happen. So we're going to revert back to the Evo. Now, when I was coming home last night, I actually had a buckling job in, have I got everything I need? Blackpool. And when I was coming home, it actually started like boost cutting on the load. Now it used to do that when I first got it mapped in. It does it now and again. So if I put my foot down, all of a sudden it just hits a brick wall. It's like, and I'm pretty sure, and 96%, which means I'm about 16% sure that it's the spark plugs, and they do need to be changed. So I'm pretty sure they're not gapped correctly. So Dan from AMD is telling me which spark plugs to get. So I'm going to go to Euro car parts now. I'm going to pick up some spark plugs. Luckily I ordered them about 2 months ago, so I know this is something I needed to do, but I just totally forgot. I never picked them up, but luckily Euro car parts I've still got them there because they're actually an order in only spark plug. And we're going to get the spark plugs, we're going to gap them down properly. So I bought a gap tool a month ago as well. And we're going to gap them down, put them in. Even if it's not that issue, it could be a boost leak somewhere. Even if it's not, I still need these spark plugs in. And it's a lovely day. Look at the sunshine, lads. I've not seen the sunlight in a very long time. It's literally just been raining, and if it carries on being sunny, we're going to put something else in the car as well. Now, which leads me on to another point. I see a lot of people in the comments recently moaning about what I'm doing in the videos. Oh, you did a full video on a battery. You need to understand, guys, the weather's horrific, the lighting's horrific. It's Christmas, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just that time of the month that's really hard to do awesome videos. I have got lots of mods, people, oh, you guys, I'm getting everything in the comments. The comments are a bit annoying recently, but whatever. But it's just that time of the month, it's really hard to do things. It's always raining, it's always freezing, you only have a few hours of daylight, and it's Christmas, you know, I've got loads of things going on with the website, I've got, you know, it's just that time of the year where, unfortunately, I can't be out here putting massive body kits on and putting all these things, because it's just not the right time of the year. But I have got loads of things upstairs. I've got one thing upstairs which is going to piss so many people off, and I can't wait to put it on because it's so funny. Because people are moaning, saying, oh, you're ruining the Evo by putting cool things on. Wait till I put this on. But anyway, let's get to your car parts because I'm wobbling on again. I just like talking to myself, lads, you know what I mean? I'm a bit of a loner, you know what I mean? I don't really see many people, so it's kind of unnatural for me to talk to myself. If I hit it one time, I'm a viper. If I hit it 2 times, I'm a liker. If I fuck 3 times, I'm a wiper. And he say to your man Piper, fucking me and get some money. Woo! 2 times and a liker. Hate this corner. This corner plus Evo steering rack is not good. Hashtag curb wheel. Whoa! Fucking chock-a-block round here, lads. Oh, is that off space for the Lockwood right there in front of the shop? I would take the camera in, lads, but there's a bit of a queue, so I don't think I'm gonna. Right, we got the spark plugs. We got 4 spark plugs, 15 quid. Now, I always thought I have to get, you know, like the iridium ones every time at 20 quid a plug. But I was actually speaking to Dan at AMD and the lads in there, and they were saying there's no point in getting the iridium ones because all they do is just last longer. And Dan was saying for the amount of times you actually have to change them in the Evo, it's just pointless just buying iridium ones because, you know, he was saying it needed to be changing the plugs in these every, I think he said 3 times a year, I think he said. So he's saying you're just wasting your money buying iridium ones because these ones will just last just as long as the iridium ones. So these are just the standard NGK ones, BPR8ES for any of you Evo owners, and they need to be gapped down to 0.6 of a mil. So we're going to get home, we're going to gap these plugs down to 0.6 mil, bang them in the car, see what time it is, see how dark it is. Anyway, it's 10 o'clock now, but you never know, it goes dark by 11:30. So I'll show you what it's doing up top. See it like cutting out and stuff. It's just breaking up at the top end. To get to like 1.5, 1.6 bar, it starts breaking up. Right, so we've got a stretch here, so I'll show you it breaking up. Okay, so now it's fine. Of course it's fine when I bring the camera out, isn't it? It's just so cold, it's just so cold, lads. Right, let's get the tools. Right, so let's get out said spark plug. My God, that's a small gap already. Jesus. So we need 0.6 mil. So that's inches. This is mil. So that's 0.8. So we're pushing it. So the way to do it is just put it on and just spin it so it can't go any further. That's like 0.8. So we need to knock them down only a tiny bit, to be fair. So they're quite shortly gapped anyway. Some people just get it against the wall and just tap it, or some people pushes them in with this. You can either just push them or just tap it against the wall. I'm just going to try pushing it a bit. Pushing that as far as it can go now. That's literally 0.6, which is awesome. So we're going to do that to all of them. Right then, lads. Let's get these in. Quick time. Quick time. Just got 3 cheeky 10 mils here. 3 cheeky 10 mils. Cheeky. Uno. Dos. Tres. There should be a quattro, but I lost the bolt last week. But don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Quattro. There we go. Oh my God. There's the 14 mil. I've been looking for that everywhere. Oh my God. Yes. So hot though, let's get out of my hand. Yes, I've been looking for that everywhere. I'm gonna pull this boy off. And these bad boys, just pull straight out, lads. Although this one's bolted, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay. Are they cheeky 10 mils? I hope they're a cheeky 10 mil. It's a cheeky 10 mil, lads. That one's not a cheeky 10 mil. That one is though. Is that a cheeky 8 mil? It's very strange. Well, this one is. I don't know what size that is. Is that a 9 mil or something? Oh, is that? Oh no, it is 10 mil. What are you doing, Lockwood, lad? Oh no, everyone's going to tell me I don't know anything about cars now in the comments. You can't even use a 10 mil spanner. Right then. Now my little trick is, if I can find it. Oh no, don't say I've left it at James's. Instead of getting like a spark plug socket where there's a different sizes, just get one of these bad boys. Just use any socket, unloosen it, pop that in, pick it out. Yeah, buddy. So when we just go bump, 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 bump. Yeah, so they have seen better days. They really have seen better days. But that's okay, because we got some new ones. Okie dokie, put in and pie, put the spark plugs in and make all the other cars cry. It's not time to make a change, just relax and take it easy. You're still young, I am old. Well, 23, but I'm happy. Well, not when I'm reading the YouTube comments. That's why we love Patreon. Patreon.com/Lockwood. Giveaways, more videos, and it's just a nice place to be. We all chat to each other. We all help each other. It's just lovely, lads. It's just absolutely lovely. Shout out to my Patreon boys. Right, let's start the bad girl up. Let's start the bad girl up. I'm gonna film today's video. Bloody steering lock. Right, let's see. She's happy, lads. I don't know whether it's just like the placebo effect, but I feel like she's either a lot nicer. She might be. But I'm gonna go upstairs. I need to sort stuff. I need to sort out. I'm actually going doing this with you. He charge the camera, get the GoPro ready, take loads of things off this memory card, basically sort everything out, and we'll see what happens. Right, so it turns out we're not doing the review today in that car because for some reason the insurance company is just not letting us. Well, I normally just use like insure for a days. Now none of them are insuring me on this car, which is quite understandable because it's quite a high horsepower car and an expensive car, but for some reason I normally use cover the 1 hour app, but it's not working for some reason. It's not just me, it's not working for someone else. Well, I've had someone else had a look and it's saying the same thing. It's just saying, oh, something is missing, but nothing is missing. So unfortunately we're not going to be able to do that review in the car today. That'll be next week. It's a cool car, lads, so keep an eye on that. I'm going to take the Evo out for a spin, see if them spark plugs have worked or made any difference. And we're going to go to the as well. And I'm going to get the GoPro and we're going to give you a little bit of a POV driving thing as well. So cut to the GoPro shots. Alright. Oh, give me things flying about. Look at this, lads. I'm on butlering. How cute's that? Ah, me and Jay when we was at butlering. Lovely. Anyway. Now, annoyingly, loads of videos of the screamer pipe it does not do it justice whatsoever. Like, watching it on camera, it's like never as good as it sounds in person, and it's so annoying. Everyone's like, oh, it doesn't even sound that loud. It is. It just doesn't seem that loud on camera. It's actually like that loud that it goes past the frequency of the audio which the camera can pick up, so it kind of doesn't even sound loud on camera. No matter what camera you use, either the GoPro or the actual camera, even iPhone cameras, it just doesn't pick up the audio whatsoever. So much traffic. I'm not gonna be able to test this here. Bloody Nora! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I think there's a kid looking at us from behind these people. I think they like the boost. It's a bit slippery this roll. We'll see what we'll boost it to. Feels way smoother. I shouldn't have come down this road. It's good in the summer but not in the winter. There's just leaves everywhere. It's slow, slippy. The car feels way smoother. It's idling way better. Power delivery just seems way better, to be fair. We're not boost cutting either. Feels way better. I don't know why I went down that road. Probably one of the worst roads to go down, to be honest. Yeah, like, it just feels way smoother. Way better, lads. Lidl, the best shop in the world. See, there are curries or pizzas, lads. I'm not gonna lie, Lidl's do the best microwaved Indians ever. Like, they're actually nice and a lot of takeaways. So Lidl, just send me over that contract for the sponsor and I'll get that signed, lads. Cheers.